Hello guys! Well. So, andito na naman tayo. Kakarating ko lang guys. Today, I don't have schedule for job because they are escape. My two customer for normal customer for Thursday is escaping. So, maybe they are, that is weekly kasi guys. So, maybe they are away. So, I have time to go for window shopping by myself. So, diba? So, I went to Kingston and I came home before I pick up my kulot, guys. So, I window shopping for myself and I have some, first, I went to Primark. I spent not really much, but for me, it's just only part-time, so it's a lot for me if I spend 20 pounds up, so it's already a lot. So first I show you guys what I bought in grocery. I went to a Korean shop because there in Kingston there's a big Korean shop, so opposite of the Primark. So first I show you is Korean groceries. I went this one snack for my kulot. I don't know if my kulot like it, the flavor, because I did this one is seasoned seaweeds only, because last time I bought what we call that one, wasabi. So she doesn't like, of course, because it's I didn't know there's a flavor on it. This is spicy. Then there's another more. This one is roasted gem with sesame oil. Different price to guys. Ito kaya konti lang. Ito 6. So I bought stick rice cake to make tikhan to beauty, and hindi ko alam I have sauce for this, guys. I have sauce. So I get this one. It's expensive, guys. It's 5 pounds. Then I bought this pack of noodles. Kasi maganda ang Korean product, guys, kaysa sa ibang yung mga na product ng yung goreng-goreng na yan. I don't like the instant noodles from the other Lucky Me dati, pero wala na. Nag-out of stock na yung mga Lucky Me sa Pilipinas. Ang pinibinta nila ay na lang, yung mga goreng-goreng. So, I don't like. So, better I buy a Korean shop. So, this one. This one is 5 pounds per pack. And this one, the tteokbokki sauce. I bought 2 flavor, guys. One sweet and spicy, and this one is hot chili. I think it's sweet as well. This one, hot chili. 2 pieces for this. I try only this one, guys. So mali pala ako, dapat only this one. I make 2 and 1 only this one. Kasi super hot ito, guys. So, my instruction naman how to make it. Yan, only this one, guys. Only this. For the Korean shop. And I have receipt for that. I spent, I think, 19 pounds 23 pence. So, nasa din to dahil mga 1.5 to 1.7 pesos. 1,700 pesos. So, first I went to Primark. Ito in the last one. I bought from Primark. Because we're going to summer, guys. So, I bought slipper for the beach. Ito. Rubber. It's a rubber. Ano lang siya? 6 pounds. Ba? Maganda to pag talaga nasa dagat, nakachinelas ka. I have many short pants, guys, but it's still small for me. So I bought this new short pants because I'm going home to Philippines alone. So a bit bigger. So mainit kasi di doon, guys. So nagbili ako. Isang piraso is 8 pounds. 8 pounds. Mahal kasi mga short pants dito, guys. Kasi pag summer, doon lumalabas yung mga ano ng mga tao dito, kababaihan. Kaya mahal ang short pants. Backpack. I changed my working backpack, guys, for everyday using. So I changed this. So I bought it 14 pounds. 14 pounds siya. For how many years? I think 4 years, 3 years. I changed already my backpack. I have many backpack, guys, for everyday job, Monday to Friday. So I use this one only. I bought this polo shirt. I think it's a shorter, like a crop top, for high waist short pants and the leggings. This is 7 pounds. It's for myself, guys. Then I bought for my daughter as well what she likes. She's looking always ask me to buy bubble bath. 1 pound 80 lang ito. That is for here. Bubble soup yata. I don't know. But freezer bag. Gusto niya to mga ganito. Magbabad siya sa bath. Pero ayoko ng ganito kasi parang nangangati ako. Ewan ko. Kahit mag-wash ka pa after, di mo mag-ano. Siya mahilig nito. Kaya binilhan ko siya. 2 pounds. Yan lang muna ang binili ko para sa kanya. Kasi, and, sunglasses for here, for my kulot. 2 pounds 50. Hopefully, it's not big for her head. Ito. Kasi marami siyang sunglasses, guys. Pero nilalaro niya eh. Yung guna ganun-ganun nga yung ito yung pangsabit ganito. So, lumuluwag na sa kanya. Kaya I bought new one for here. Primark. 2 pounds 50. Dalawa. So, yan lang po, guys. At itong bag na nabili ko sa Primark. 1 pound. Kasi nakalimut ako magbili ng bag. Ayoko naman ang bag kasi nilang free ay ano yung paper bag. So, hindi na pwede pag maramihan, mabigat. Kasi masisira. Oo. Nakagamit din kasi yung Korean groceries ay hindi na ako bumili ng bag. Kasi matibay yung bag na bili ko. So, di ba? Marami ding nalagay. Hindi na ako. So, nabayad ko sa Primark, guys, ay 42 pounds 30. So, nasa ano to, guys? Nasa 42 kasi. Nasa 35 to 40 yata to. Kasi, nasa 4K. 4,000 pesos. So, yan lang po, guys, yung grocery ko. Not shopping, window shopping by myself. I treat myself, 'di ba? So, minsan lang ako nagbibili na sa sarili ko, guys. Kasi minsan lang ako makatime ng magpunta ng ayoko kasing magbili ng bili sa pupunta ng mga ganyan pag kasama yung partner ko dahil mahal bili ng bili ganun. Ayaw niya na magbili-bili ako, kaya better I go to shopping or window shopping by myself, di ba? Walang chichiborichi ko. Anong gusto mong bilhin, mabibili mo. Walang harang sa'yo, di ba? At least, happy na yung aking kulot nito to surprise her later. Kahit ito lang, masaya na siya. Yan. Ito talaga lagi niyang inaano sa akin na, Mommy, I want to buy the bubble. Kasi nung maliit siya, nagbibili ako sa kanya ng nito para ma-happy sa pagliligo. Nagbababad siya. Strawberry flavor, guys. So, bubbles. So, ayan. Yan lang po, guys. Yan lang po ang ating shopping haul. At magluluto na ako ng aking Ito. Chuboki. Chuboki. Okay, thank you for watching.